How to add your own music on TikTok. So if you want to add your own music on TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. And once you open your TikTok, now you can simply go for the plus button, which is on the bottom middle. How to add your own music to a TikTok video. So if you want to add your own music to your TikTok video, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. You can go to the middle button, which is the plus, and now you can choose photo, 15 seconds or 60 seconds or 10 minutes, and you can upload a video from your gallery, or you can take a TikTok video right now. So I'll be taking it. And once you've taken the video, now you can go for the tick icon, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go for next, which is again on the bottom right. And now you can go for add sound, which is on the upper side. And here you can search for any song, any commercial song that you would like to add to your TikTok video. Or you can go for discover more sounds, and from here you can add your sounds. Or you can go for favorites and you can add your favorite songs. You can also go for the volume, which is here on the bottom left options. You can also go for the volume, which is here on the bottom right options. Go for volume, and then you can turn off your original sound, and you can choose your added sound, and then you can turn that volume on. So that's it. That's how you add your own music to a TikTok video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.